Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family, or if you're new here, welcome. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. I think I have 6 different jobs to share in today's video. We have a few that are non-phone based. We have some that you might have to do a little bit of work on the phone. Hopefully we have a mixed bag, a little bit of something for everyone. We even have a job that is literally paying anywhere from $1,300 a week up to a little over $1,600 a week to answer emails and website chat. That one is completely non-phone and it doesn't require any kind of college degree. We're going to dive all in, links to all the pages I'm sharing if you want to read reviews on companies or get those applications in. Timestamps, all additional information you may need can always be found in the YouTube description box below this video. I always do just ask that if you enjoy anything that I share, let me know. Give me that feedback by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, and share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Now, first up, we have the company Yum Brands hiring. Yum Brands is a big parent company that owns a lot of well-known fast food places like KFC, Pizza Hut, Taco Bell. They have 820 reviews on Glassdoor and overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an help desk analyst. Now, this is remote for the United States. I do have one job in here that's hiring in the United States plus a few other countries, but other than that, most of these are going to be for the United States only. But Yum Brands is looking for somebody to troubleshoot, analyze, and resolve their IT or computer type incidences that impacts the computers of their Yum Brands companies. That might mean computers for KFC, Pizza Hut, Taco Bell, Habit Burger Grill, TikTok, Heart Styles, and Dragontail. So you're just troubleshooting and resolving all kind of technical issues for clients. So you're just providing that IT customer service, responding to tickets in an efficient amount of time, escalating tickets up that you can't help with to other IT teams when necessary. You're going to use different communication tools to communicate with different users like Microsoft Teams, that's like an instant message chat type thing. ServiceNow is like a ticketing system. Cisco WebEx, that's the same as like a Zoom face-to-face audio, and you can have video meetings, things like that. You are going to have to prioritize these tickets based on what is high priority and most urgent. And as you're working these tickets and solving these issues, of course, you're going to have to provide that detailed documentation when resolving these tickets into the system. So you're going to collaborate internally with other technicians and analysts as well. Now, this only requires 1 to 2 years of experience providing some kind of tech support or help desk support. Somebody who knows a wide variety of hardware and software platforms. You know how to work around computers, printers, Windows 10 plus Mac computer systems, Microsoft Office 365, which is the web-based version, as well as Microsoft Office like 2013, the desktop application version. They're looking for somebody who has 1 to 2 years experience in customer service. Now, if you have a bachelor degree or any kind of certifications in some kind of a Google IT support, that will get you to the top of the line as a preferred requirement for an interview, but is not a requirement. And sadly, Yum Brands did not list pay. That'll need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. Now, next up, we have a Carrot Fertility hiring. They have 107 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.0 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a customer success enablement specialist. So you are not actually going to be the customer service rep. What you're going to be doing is providing support across those customer service teams, like creating tools, templates, and resources for the customer service team to use to help them drive consistency and make them help do their jobs better. So you're really creating and maintaining a library of resources such as playbooks, cheat sheets, document bases, knowledge base articles, things like that, tip sheets, help articles for the customer service team. You're going to create this customer facing content and materials too that might be given to the actual customer, including like presentations or things for client meetings. So you're doing a lot of documentation creation. You will support tracking and reporting to within leadership, creating and managing the enablement calendar. So you're really managing the internal ticketing system, making sure that requests are routed to the appropriate resource and addressed in a timely manner, monitoring this content adoption, making sure that all the teams are adopting the content that's been put out. So you're really the go-between between the enablement team, the customer success team, and the customer management teams. They are looking for somebody who has 2 years experience in some kind of customer success or an account management role, somebody who has a high level of proficiency in developing presentations, documentation, and materials. You're highly organized, very detail oriented, have great communication skills, but no college degree is needed. Pay for this one is anywhere from $70,000 a year up to $80,000 a year. Now, if you're looking for more of a part-time work when you want to type job, Outlier AI is hiring. Outlier AI has 796 reviews on Glassdoor. They have a lower employee satisfaction rating coming in at 2.9 out of 5 stars. That can be expected with jobs like this. A lot of these jobs, sometimes you sign up to do surveys or task-based work, and the problem is when you can work and you log on, sometimes the work is just not there. So just know that going in, I don't share a lot of types of these jobs because it is first come first serve basis and work does often run out. But Outlier is looking for somebody to do remote AI writing evaluation. They are hiring throughout the United States, Canada, New Zealand, Australia, United Kingdom, and Ireland. But they're really looking for somebody who is fluent in the English language to help train artificial intelligence models. So you'll be reading and writing for these AI models. So when the AI model comes back with something, you're really reading that text in order to rank a series of responses that was approved by the AI model. Like, this is the top response, this would be the second one, this would be the third one. The AI model might get it completely wrong or use wrong grammar, and so you are going to write and rewrite the prompts and responses, and also help Google and fact check the facts that the AI model is spitting out. So you are just making sure all of these responses are correct and then kind of giving them a hierarchy, 1, 2, 3, 4, scoring them. They are looking for somebody who has been a writer or something in the past, or somebody who has rolled in some kind of writing level schooling or degree program, somebody who has great attention to detail, and of course, somebody who can navigate around a computer. Now, pay is going to be dependent on your location. Pay in the United States is $15 an hour. Moving on along, next up we have American Specialty Health hiring. They have 535 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.0 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a documentation coordinator. Now, this is remote for the United States. And so this means you're really going to be the coordinator of all of their documentation needs and requirements. You're creating and updating their operation manuals and forms, making sure that they're up to date and they stay up to date. You're obtaining and maintaining operation manuals, my goodness, I can't speak today, for multiple provider types. So this might be MD, DO, maybe a nurse practitioner. So you're updating and maintaining applications and forms based on these providers, editing these manuals for different business owners, identifying, tracking, and updating applicable state and specialty criteria for all documents, and then you're just maintaining a comprehensive document library of all of these forms that you have in draft or final existence. So you might have to create all of these electronic documents in addition to hard copy manuals. So you're really maintaining a lot of records and data into the system, creating documents, updating documents. You are just the holder of all of the administrative type paperwork. They do prefer somebody who has an associate's degree in some kind of English, journalism, or communications. It's not required, though. A high school diploma is with 2 years experience in some kind of writing, editing, or managing editorial content. Somebody who has strong attention to detail, great with working with word processing programs like Microsoft Office, Word. Of course, you've got to have great grammar, spelling, and sentence construction. Ability to multitask, meet deadlines, all the things. And sadly, again, with this one, they did not list pay. That'll need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. Now, if you're looking for a high paying position that is paying people to respond to email and that website chat, Ethena is hiring. Now, please note, Ethena only has 26 reviews from past and current employees on Glassdoor, so always do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. Out of those 26 reviews, though, they have a very high employee satisfaction rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a technical support specialist. Now, this is remote full-time. Now, Ethena is a company that offers a platform that businesses can use to help handle their administration and employee-friendly training, compliance tools, and different things like that. And so companies are going to be subscribing to this software platform, and you are going to be handling the tech support for it. You're going to help people by guiding them through how to set up their account, integrations within their own computer systems, any issues you'll troubleshoot like tech bugs, any questions that they have, but you are maintaining and adding to the help center and internal knowledge database. So you'll create some documentation and FAQs for the website. And of course, what you're going to be doing when you're doing your customer service tech support is answering a high volume of tickets through email and that website chat. So non-phone, you'll prioritize these tickets based on the account size and urgency. Just own support automation solutions and provide recommendations to the customers as needed. And of course, you're capturing any feedback and bugs and escalating those up as needed. Now, no college degree is needed for this one. Somebody who has great customer service skills, somebody who's experienced investigating and troubleshooting, so you're really a problem solver. They want somebody who has like 3 years of customer service experience, somebody who has experience creating documentation. You can write like help articles, great communication skills. And they're looking for somebody who's familiar with specific tools and systems like single sign-on, HRS, learning and management systems, things like that. But pay is anywhere from $70,000 a year up to $85,000 a year. And last but not least, we have the company Conduent hiring. Conduent has 10,000 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall rating of 3.1 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a supervisor for their quality assurance department. So I've always said, if you have a lot of customer service experience, why not move up into leadership and help train and mentor other people to have just as good a customer service skills as you do? And this would be the perfect opportunity to do that. Conduent is looking for somebody to lead and motivate a team of customer service representatives, making sure that they're achieving their performance targets. So you're really driving the efficiency in those call center operations by making sure that you implement any process improvements. So you are really kind of listening, grading, and scoring their customer service calls, as well as kind of monitoring them on how they're doing and coming up with anything that you can see you can make the whole customer service process better, or you can train and mentor one customer service person to help make them better. So you're just providing a coaching and training to these customer service team members, utilizing the call center metrics to monitor their individual and team performance, and of course giving that feedback. Now, they only require 3 years of some kind of a team lead or supervisory or quality assurance role within some kind of call center environment, somebody who can demonstrate great customer service skills, somebody who can lead and motivate. So you're a strong person, you can make decisions quickly, you can problem solve, you've got great people skills, great communication skills. No college degree is needed for this one though. Now, pay is listed all the way down at the bottom. It is $44,496 a year. And it does say this is a remote work from home job, but it does not state the actual hours you will be working. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything that you're looking for. I can never make any promises. I do read those though and keep those in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it, share with all your friends and family, and of course, I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.